Welcome to Artville at Home. I'm Miss Grams. I'm so happy you've joined me today. I just wanted you to see that I've turned Catmandu into a puppet. And I'm still playing a lot with my puppet theater that I'm making. And I'm going to rest Catmandu over here in the mountains. I hope you're thinking about things that are dangerous. But today, do you remember when we made our outdoor drawing book? I was looking at my outdoor drawing book. I have been drawing. I made a sign of spring. I was looking for signs of spring, remember? We made some buds. I made a robin and, grocery bag there. And I made a rabbit. I saw a rabbit. I thought it would be fun if we took this rabbit and turned it into something sort of special. Now this is a project. This is kind of a bonus project that you can do if you want to. You don't really have to, but if you want to, you can make a rabbit. So let's practice our rabbit, and to help me, I didn't find a rabbit, but I found a kangaroo that looks a lot like a rabbit. So I'm just going to practice drawing by looking at my kangaroo rabbit, and I see his head is a circle. He's got the big ears, got little eyes. And the rabbits have a special nose. It's like a letter U with a line coming down and then another letter U. There, he's got his little rabbit face. He has his rabbit paws. And this rabbit does not have a pouch, but he's got some big feet. He looks sort of like a toy rabbit, doesn't he? But that's okay. Now, that's a very fine drawing of a rabbit. But I'm going to do something a little special. I was looking in our magazines, and maybe you have a magazine like this. It's okay, ask the grown-ups if you can cut it up and make it into an art project. I'm just going to take that pretty page right there, and I'm going to draw the rabbit again right on top of all those flowers. Because you know rabbits love flowers. I think the rabbit would like this. I'm going to draw with a permanent marker because it's kind of slippery. Can you see the head? Maybe if I do it like this, I can make an ear and an ear. I'm going to cut out the paws like that. I'm drawing them right now. There's his big feet, his big rabbit feet. He's got an eye there and an eye there. He's got his rabbit nose. There he is. There's my little rabbit. I'm going to cut out that rabbit. He will be a flower rabbit. Rabbits love flowers. I think a rabbit would like this very much. And I have this little bunny. Here's my little rabbit. And what am I going to do with him? I want to glue him onto a piece of paper. If you have a colored paper, you can glue him on. But I don't have too much paper, but I do have a lot of grocery bags. So I'm going to take a grocery bag and just cut a big piece of paper like this. Cut all around. Whoops. This. There. Now I can glue my rabbit and put him right on top of this part. Like that. He will be there. Okay. So I'm going to put some glue on it. Because I use this handle part, I can easily hang it on the wall. It will be a sort of a fun little decoration for spring. Bring the rabbit inside. And I think that looks very beautiful. But there's more you can do. You can decorate all this part here too. You can draw your own things, or maybe you have some interesting pieces. You know, I love to use the scraps. So maybe you have more pieces from what you just cut out. You can cut them a little more fancier, and you can make decorations all around your rabbit. I should have it up here like that. Can you see what I did? I'm just kind of making some designs and patterns going around my rabbit like that, okay? And I can keep going and going and going. And we'll have something really fun to look at. So go ahead and try it. Give it a try if you would like to. And if you make a rabbit, would you please take a picture of your rabbit and put it on your seesaw in the art folder, and I can take a look at it. I love to see the things that you make. So go ahead, have fun, and keep hopping. Bye.